This project is fingerprint and password based vehicle garage door control. Here audio connections are Arduino and its data board along with power supply 16x2 LCD. Fingerprint module R307 connected to Arduino UART port. Here garage door controlled by L103 IC which is connected to Arduino digital pin. Here two switches. First one enrolling and second one is for identification. These two switches and 4x5 keypad connected to Arduino digital pins. Now power on this. Initially, we have to enroll the fingerprints using enrolling switch. Once enrolling is done, every time enrolling is not required. While accessing door, we have to keep finger on model and press identification button. If fingerprint is valid, then it asks password. If password is correct, then garage door will be open. Here we have another password to close the garage door. Here password is for opening the door 1 2 3 4. You have to keep the finger here and press the identification. Authorized fingerprint, enter password. Password is 1 2 3 4. Shutter open. To close the garage door, need to access fingerprint and enter the second password. Here second password is 1235. Again we have to put finger here, press the identification. One, 2, 3, 5. If unauthorized finger, it is showing on LCD not found. We have to put finger here and press the identification.